Well, folks, it's been over 5 minutes. I don't know why, but I guess they canceled. I guess Rolla pulled a Milwaukee County on us. Like, what do you cancel for? There's no rain. Like, there's barely a chance of rain today. Okay. Okay. So, here is the weather. As you can see, there's nothing. We had like a 1% chance of rain, and that's really it. We had no alerts or anything like that. I don't know why the test was canceled or something. They did not test them last Wednesday because of rain, and they have not been tested since. So, I was hoping they would test them on the second Wednesday of the month since they couldn't do on the first, but eh. Rolla can be weird when it comes to the monthly tests sometimes. There's one time where I was home alone and I was supposed to hear the sirens go off, but I didn't hear a single siren go off. But when my mom came home, she told me that the nearest siren to her job was going off for some reason, but none of the sirens near my house were going off. I don't know, it just sometimes they'll do that. They'll just set off one or two sirens and lead the rest to do nothing. It's kind of weird. It reminds me of Milwaukee County, Wisconsin, well, where they will cancel for haze. I don't know if Rolla's going to test at all this month. I've been waiting and waiting. It's just like August, where they were not able to test on the first 3 Wednesdays of the month. But on the fourth one, they did, and I had no idea about it, so I wasn't able to record it.